ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kum ka dak ka Jingrakhe ya ka Jingdap san Snem jong ka Jylla. Ka Sarkar kala Sdang shwa da ki Tamasa Syntiew da ka Sdang da ka Tamasa Syntiew le ne ka Megong Festival ubadai u Syntiew ubali ubaju pho ha ki benai telang harilom garo ya ka baki garo ki jukhot u Megong. Ya gani ka Tamasa ka ba laisngi la Sdang nado ka khat phra tarik hado ka arphau tarik ubnai naiweng arhajar arphuwei hagasnong babadam gare West Garo Hills District. Hagani ka Tamasa lawan banye shimbenta da ki kinhon ba pher kum na Arunachal Pradesh na Sikkim bat na ki wei pat ki Jylla bat kum jo ru na bar jongkari kum na Sweden na France bat na Israel. Kala don ka jing pen inam ya ki jing di ki jing bam ki badon la ki jong ki jing bang ya ka bala bu khnang na ka benta ki paj ba ki bakwa ban the. Hagani ka sngi ka ba menteri rang ba ka Jylla ula play paj ba ya gani ka festival ula lait madru ya ki jing di ki jing bam ki bada don hala ki jong ki stall ne ki kenja dukan. Menteri rangba ulapan bena bakum ka dak ka Jingrakhe ya ka Jingdap san Snem bat kum joru ya ka Jingdap hanyo pusan Snem jong ka jingyo lai loy kari India ka Jylla kan Sdang shwa da ki artli ki Tamasa Syntiew kata ka Megong Festival bat sakaway pat ka ban sa Sdang shen kadai ka Cherry Blossom Festival. Nangta ulapan benaru baka Jylla kalapan kre ya ki Tamasa ba pher kum ka umngot festival ha ka bakan don ka jingya kop kingling bat ki wei pat ki jat jingya lekai bat ki jat jingya kop. Ulapan benaru baka jinglot tang na ka benta ki artli ki Tamasa kan kot syaka like lor tingka.
Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sama, accompanied by his wife, Dr. Mehtab Sama.
Presenting a bouquet of flowers, a kotak, Mandira Aniko Misokna. This headgear used to be worn by the highest seated in villages and also by the warriors leading soldiers to battle.
I would first of all like to thank and congratulate the Department of Tourism for having organized this very first Megong Festival. We had initially decided to have this program last year. But due to different circumstances and situations that we faced because of COVID, we were not able to host this last year. But I'm glad that we have been able to host it this year. It is more meaningful in one way because as our state prepares to celebrate its 50 years of statehood, which will be on the 21st of January 2022. We have decided to kick off the entire program of a large number of activities to celebrate this 50 years of statehood with this particular festival. So that is the reason why just a few minutes back I have unveiled the 50 years celebration logo for the state, and I would like to thank the DIPR for having taken the initiative to come out with this very beautiful and, more importantly, a very meaningful logo for the 50 years celebration. Just about 5 kilometers away from here, the government of Meghalaya has started the construction of one of the largest tribal research institutes in the entire region. This is a program funded by the Tribal Affairs Ministry, Government of India, where approximately 50 crores is being spent to create an infrastructure that will have space for research, have space for documentation, have space for celebrations, for training, for having different festivals and different kind of sports activities related to tribal culture. And the important part about this institute is that it will not be restricted only to the Garo tribe or the Khasi tribe, but we intend to make this Tribal Research Institute a very vibrant, a very inclusive one, where we include research on tribes from the entire Northeast and maybe, perhaps, even beyond our borders. Because we have a large tribal population throughout the Southeast Asian region. And we strongly feel that it is important to preserve our culture, preserve our customs, because that is what identifies us as who we are. And in today's world, it is very easy to sometimes forget that. And hence, this Tribal Research Institute will do research and document different aspects of the tribal cultures of the entire Northeast. And we had intended that this particular festival should become an annual event in that Tribal Research Institute. And hence we started off with the theme this time of exploring into the different breweries of the tribal cultures, the different local drinks that are made by the local people, something we should be proud of, something we should let others from other cultures experience, and something that we would like different states and different cultures and different tribes to share among each other. And that is why today you will have some of the breweries from Arunachal Pradesh, some from Sikkim, some from Assam, and some from Meghalaya. And the people who will come to this festival will be able to experience all of these cultures in one place. In the coming years, we intend to expand this into different activities. So next time in the Megong Festival, we may have the tribal sports of the different tribes being showcased in this festival. After that, it may be the different languages or the different literatures that may be presented to the people. So as we go along, as this annual event takes place, the themes might change every year, but the crux of ensuring that the tribal identity and cultures are maintained, are kept, are properly documented, are preserved, and most importantly, are celebrated, is the real objective of this particular festival. So in the future, once the Tribal Research Institute, which we expect should be ready by 1st of September 2022, we intend to host in this particular area itself some of the programs in that Tribal Research Institute. So this is a glimpse into what we really plan to do in the medium term and in the long term, and we intend to make this festival an annual event and allow different people to participate in this particular festival.
I now request Street CVD Dindo, statehood celebration. I request the Secretary IPR and the members of the press to be with us for the press briefing. Thank you.
Paano sumira? Iting kulo. सिक्किम से थैंक यू आपके सीएम साहब को बुलाया मैंने बल्कि थोड़ा बिजी है अभी नहीं आ पाएंगे सिक्किम नहीं ना सिक्किम तो दिखाइए थोड़ा टेस्ट करते हैं हम लोग बहुत कम आ रहे ये दीजिए मेरे साथ को दीजिए लोकल मिले हैं और अपने थोड़ा थोड़ा बहुत कम नहीं तो हम लोग इसलिए हम लोग लास्ट तक पहुंचते गिर जाएंगे ज़्यादा दिया तो ये सिर्फ हमारे एसपी साहब पूरा बोतल पी सकते हैं हम लोग तो नहीं पी पाएंगे ये क्या है
रोडोडेंड्रन सर These are rhododendron,
थोड़ा they've been taken care of for staying in during this thing or 2 round or they'll go up and down but they've got some time to stay or something here for some time at least relax and खाना पीना everything आप लोग कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा तो डायरेक्ट मुझे बताना ठीक है ये लोग कभी-कभी भूल जाते हैं आप लोग का ख्याल रखने के लिए इन लोग को मैं देखूंगा ठीक है
Thank you once again
Thank you.
to our esteemed guests for the immense support.
Also missing tribe. This is from Boru tribe. Boru tribe. Yeah. Boru is the largest and missing is the second largest tribe.